as cayenne pepper. It is very good, very good, very good blood cleanser. Just swallow one a day. It helps with digestion and also cleanses the blood. Get rid of inflammation in your joints. Much underrated, but it is a very good spice. It's also good to make peri peri sauce that will be coming up on my YouTube channel soon. So I'm gonna use these bird peppers, aka cayenne pepper, to make some peri peri sauce. Like I mentioned before, that will be up on my YouTube channel soon. So like I said, one of these pepper is very good to take in the morning. Just wash it and swallow it. Yeah, like I said, it is very good. It cleanses the blood. It gets rid of inflammation in the joints, and they say that it also cleanses the liver, and it is very much an underrated herbal medicine. As I stated before, if you do not have the bird pepper, you can always sprinkle a little bit of cayenne powder on your food. But you know, the pepper is best because it does not contain anything than just its natural properties. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell.